Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Happy Cast Iron Wednesday, Cast Iron Wednesday. Forgot what day it was. I'm gonna be honest, my chicken and waffles footage is still on this camera. I haven't gotten around to transferring it, so it's only actually been 2 days. And I'm already doing another video. Excuse me. And the reason I'm doing it is because I wanted to make a dinner, but two, I read online someone had mentioned Chick-Fil-A, and I was like, oh man, that sounds really good. I should get some Chick-Fil-A. And I thought, you know, maybe I'll just make it at home instead. So I'm gonna making a crispy chicken sandwich. I even got some waffle fries, which I'm heating up the oven for. So let's get to it. All right, so the oven is still heating up. Get my oil in. Right. Also gonna try making my own fry sauce. If I can zoom in here. Now, I had some chili sauce that I made my own Russian dressing in, but the jar was a little dusty, so I figured, well, maybe I could pass its good date. Man, I'm almost out of Duke's mayo. Let's get another jar. So get rid of a little bit of ketchup. About, I don't know. I'm not measuring. I'm just throwing stuff in. Let's add some horseradish. And one more, a little bit more. There we go. Got a little sloppy mama. Got a little paprika. A little bit of chili powder, since I'm missing the chili sauce, and then some granulated garlic. And I just had it, so I got some salt and some pepper. Alright, so it's all mixed up. Give it a taste. That's actually pretty good. Alright, I got 3 strips of bacon going. Gonna turn on my Dutch oven. Haven't used this pan in a while because I had some grease in there that I hadn't dumped out yet, so the whole bottom was full of crud. A little neglectful on my part. My bad. Get this chicken prepped. Alright, so what I want to do is butterfly this chicken, which I admit I'm not great at. So just miss a little fat. Just put your knife down. Just let the blade do the work. I think I got one side a little bit bigger than the other. Yep, exactly what I did. Damn it. Now one's pretty small and the other one's much bigger. Shoot, I didn't want to do that. I think I might do is cut this tail off here. I'll cook these two together and put them on the sandwich. And then I'll pound this one flat. Which I should use a pan, but that worked alright. Alright, let me get my flour and egg mixture ready. Those waffle fries in. Alright, so flour mixture for the batter. I saw online if you use a little cornstarch, it's supposed to really crisp up. So we're gonna go ahead and try that. Dang it. Alright, so garlic. I got some paprika this time. It doesn't like coming out, it seems. And then I got some of that Chinese 5 spice again. Of course, my sloppy mama. Alright, let's give this a good stir. Decided to stir it in here instead of the hand, so it won't, you know, come flying out the sides. So I was thinking ahead this time, and it still flew out of the sides because I'm a klutz. Right, I need my egg. Had to stand here and wait for the fries. I still have 8 more minutes, but I wanted to prep them for even cooking. Kind of group them all together. Sprinkle a little. There's a little bit of slappy mama on them. Not a whole lot, just some. Actually, that worked out perfect because they've got 7 minutes 43 seconds left, which will give me ample time to cook my chicken because I'm gonna cook this one piece separate and then cook the other two together. And I gotta prep my buns and everything else, and then the fries. And if it goes over a few minutes, not even a problem. It just means extra crispy fries, so. I was just dredging these other two while I wait. Probably got a little too much flour in here, but that's alright. I don't know if I've ever said this, but don't save that flour. Just throw the flour away when you're done with it because you had raw chicken in it. That was kind of, well, no duh, but you know, some people need to be told, so give this guy a flip. I probably could have put all 3 in there, but I didn't want to crowd it either. Alright, let's pull this out and temp it. Remember what I said about tongs? Always down. Well, I really don't want to read about, man, I didn't listen to you and I burned the living crap out of my hands. And instant read thermometer is the way to go. If you're gonna do any cooking. See, it's only at 143, so it's not done yet. It needs to be 160. So if I just went by color, I might have gotten 6. Pull it out and take a look. Excuse me. Of course, you always want to temp the thickest part. Oh yeah, it's done. I just hit 165, so that is finished. Get these other 2 in here. I'm using some supportive cookware because I'm going to turn this pan on and of course, because they don't make buns 2 to a bag, I get to make burgers tomorrow. I can make a fish sandwich tomorrow. I can do, you know, I've been thinking about doing burgers. I love me a good hamburger, or well, bacon cheeseburger. So, you know. A little butter in here for the buns. I don't need a lot. And the fries have already, timer went off for the fries already. I'm just letting them continue cooking because it's not going to hurt anything. If anything, I'll get an extra crispy French fry out of it. Get those buns in there. I was thinking this off camera. I was like, you know, people might be worried about deep frying, you know, hot oil inside the house, but I literally did something on the tailgate of my truck. I deep fried donuts, and man, they were fantastic, which skyrocketed my confidence in deep frying. So I was always really nervous about it. Just squeezing on a little lemon. Lemon would really cut that grease. I think these might be close enough to try and count. These are just square baking pans from the dollar store, of all places. These should be, oops, gotta take the hold off. Actually, those are done. Go ahead and get this out. Even though this is a small piece, I want to temp it anyway, just to be sure. Yep. Sweet. Now I can go ahead and kill the heat on that. And then, since these are done, I'm going to put a little lemon on here. All you do is wait for the buns, so they should be getting pretty close. Well, actually, not close at all. So, see how those buns are back in there? Oh, come on! I only had it on medium heat for you stubborn SOB. Let's pull these fries out and take a look at them. I could have deep fried these too, but I figured I'll just throw them in the oven and bake them. But they look pretty good. Alright, they're starting to show some color now, so I'm going to go ahead and pull them. That's good enough for me. So let's got some of this homemade sauce. Get that on the bottom. Now I went ahead and put a slice of American cheese on these. I was going to buy some Swiss, but I had some Swiss in the refrigerator that I hadn't finished eating, and I was a little questionable if it was so good or not. So I did a silent curse to myself for not getting them out sooner. Of course, we got to put some bacon. Alright, so Chick-fil-A puts pickles on their sandwich, so I'm going to as well. I'm definitely a dill pickle guy. A little bit more sauce on the top. Might be going a little light on the sauce, but I want to dip some of the fries in it, so there we go. And I got one little piece of chicken left right here, which I'll probably just munch on. But alright, we got quite the feast. Now I would do this at the dining room table, except I got a whole bunch of crap on it still, and I hadn't cleaned it off yet. So, try to fry real quick. Nice crunch. Try that chicken. Wow. That's really damn good. I'll probably go on with a little bit more robust bun. And they had some brioche buns there, but they were $5.49 a piece, so I just went with your standard hamburger bun. And the flavors are really good though. Alrighty, well, I am a little crooked. Yeah, still crooked. Okay, man, fantastic, really tasty. Well, I'm gonna go sit down and eat there. I do thank you for watching. The playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday will be below, and also the end card. And we'll catch you in the next one. Have a good one.